Hi, I am Mauna Gumpula. I'm going to present my reflection part that what I have contributed in our project Maxis AI based on medical segment images. My contributions towards Maxis AI project are initially I have done research. Once we have received the requirements from the client and researched on journals regarding suitable tools for medical segment images to do annotations on the medical scan images. Based on the research, suggest the technologies and tools for the coding and also the suitable programming languages for the development. And I also done the research and try different tools for UX designs. At the end, I have chosen Adobe for UX designs as it is user friendly and open source tool. And after that, prepared few UX designs for our web pages, and also done coding for contact us page and helped our team in developing the annotation toolbar. Whenever getting errors in the code, rectify that errors in the code which we got it, and plan the testing plan the testing for what all pages needed to do the testing, and tested, ensure the acceptance criteria is achieved, and tested annotation functionality and replicated feature, and also prepared the PPTs for weekly stand-ups and help a team for sprints, prepare the PPTs for sprints and retrospective. And also when coming to the report part, I have written the captions for all the images and tables and updated the storyboard in the report writing. And also for report writing, I have contributed the product approach and test cases reports, product backlog, and help a team for writing the introduction part as well. And wrote the description between every part of the title and table in final report. Finalized total report. I have done the modifications in the final project, aligned all the images and tables, and also whatever asked to rectify in the rectified in the final report. I have done all the changes, and I have done the spell check and grammar check as well, and done the alignment for the report writing, and help a team in creating the table of contents. My three major contributions for Maxis AI project are code implementation for contact us page, help a team in implementing toolbar, and testing. When it comes to code implementation for contact us page, I have handled every coding in that while developing that page. I have searched the code from the different websites and done the implementation of that page, and almost I have handled the errors which occurred in that, and also half of the part I have helped in implementing the toolbar, uh, rectified few errors, and whenever it required I have helped in doing the coding part as well. When it comes to testing, I have done the testing for all sprints once the development part is completed and ensure that it achieved all the acceptance criteria. Justification for the contributions, for the in out of three main contributions, one of my contribution is contact us page. This is the contact us page which I have developed. Uh, Contact us page implemented with the functionality of JavaScript, HTML, and CSS toolbar. And this is how it looks. Most of the things in the while developing the contact us page, I have handled this. In contact us page, like only our team members' names were included along with the uh, logo of our uh, along with the logo of our project. And coming to next slide, my second main contribution for Max's AI project is implementing toolbar for annotating the images. We have faced a lot of problem in doing the annotation part. Initially, we have created toolbar. In this toolbar, initially we implemented toolbar without text, without any text in it, and we initially we can see only the images, like only the tools we have implemented. However, with the suggestions of our supervisor, we have done a lot of changes to this toolbar. We have worked a lot in this toolbar. Later we have given the names for every toolbar. Changes which we have done is like we have added the names, and also initially, like when we are looking at the brush over here, it used to be look like a only pen. It's not like a brush. Once we have shown to our client, he has requested us to change the tool from pen to a brush. At last, after lot of errors in it, and after lot of issues with the coding and all, we have achieved to the brush, and which is one of our main requirement in this Maxis AI project, to do the uh, masking on the medical image. And testing is last main contribution to the Maxis AI project. I have prepared totally 9 test cases, in which, like, first test case I have written is like to access the system on the browser, and second one is like to view the upload image on the both sides and to maintain the same dimensions. The image which we uploaded is both are like same dimensions or different dimensions. And also the third one is to mark the portions of the image and text on the image when we are choosing the particular tool, whether it is showing the same thing or the different one. And also I have annotated the particular point on the image, and tested for the annotation particular point on the image, and replicate the annotation on the second image, and the same like vice versa. And ability to display the label in the selected color, and ability to mask areas on the image, ability to undo the annotations, and ability to redo the undone annotation, ability to download the image in a .png format, and ability to download the images in grayscale.png format. And grayscale download image is like one of our main requirement, which is requested from the client. And these all 9 test cases which I have prepared, and I have done the testing for our project. Unique things which I have learned and also contributed for the Maxis AI project are, I have learned the time management. It is very difficult, like when it is like, instead of in 3 months we need to complete this whole project. For 3 weeks, we have faced a lot of issues when dividing the teams and getting the proper, like, requirements from the client. Initially, our client didn't reply for our emails, even though in a less time. Initially we thought that like it will take a lot of time. We got like we in some point of time we were bit scared. We find bit scared to whether we can complete this project or not. However, at the end we have completed successfully this project with all the requirements from the client. I have learned the time management, like how can we manage the time, how can we uh, how can we divide the work in between our team, which is a great learning, like to manage the time. And also, when coming to technologies and programming languages, I have learned the JavaScript and basics of the, like, JavaScript and HTML and jQuery, and also learned about UX designs. I don't know actually that we need to do the UX designs, but as in this project, as I have done this project, I have got to know that before developing any web page, like we have to design the UX designs and also the wireframe designs, and also learned about the canvas, how it works when doing the replication part on the images. We need to work on the canvas, which I have learned. These are all the unique things, and also learn how to work in a team with which created a real time project. In a real time project, I have learned like how can we work in a team, and learn the teamwork, how we contributed, and each and every one of us, uh, where it required, each and every team member helped everyone, each of every one of us. And also how to deal with the client and gather the exact requirements. How can we understand the client, how can we understand his requirements, all this unique things for me which I never learned before. And while because of doing this project, I have learned all these things, and also contributed as well. By I have learned the programming languages, and I have contributed in this uh, while developing a project and every page. When it comes to ideas to improve in this course, in master project, I think that um, mm, it is it will be good, like if there is more time to complete the project. Maybe like if there is more time, we would have think more innovatively and would have build more features in the project which client has given us. And also I think that if there is a face-to-face lectures, it would be more benefit for us without any misunderstandings while taking the requirements from the client or while doing work. It would be better if there are like some face-to-face lectures as well. And also students should know the course contributors, and also provide more I think that like it is better like to provide the more resources to understand the technologies, and bit understanding of the coding which we have done, as it is new for us. Find bit hard, but even though it we find it hard, we have learned successfully. And at last we have achieved a project which is very happy for me in this. When it comes to what I like the most and least in this project are, initially I like the reviews which is given by our supervisor. uh, because of them it helped a lot for us. They have helped in each and every part, like which where require, they have given the reviews like where we need to change, do the some changes in our project. And in each and every step they have helped us. With their help, like we have worked a little hard, and then we have achieved like whatever required in this project. And also I like the way we worked in a real-time project. It is not just something like normal way, and as it is, it's almost created an environment like we are working, we have started our work already, which I've liked the most. And also uh, interaction with the team members, follow up and advice is given by the supervisor as well. And also in this pandemic, I had a great conversation with the team members and successfully developed a good project, which has had a great fun for me. And when it comes to the least I liked is like the only disadvantage is that there are no face-to-face conversation, which may leads to misunderstanding and like misinformation. And also when it comes to like if there is any misunderstanding or misinformation which we get, like it may lead like sometimes it may leads to the it may leads to the delay in the project completion. At last, I would like to thank Federation University for giving this opportunity to work in a real-time environment and done the project. And also thanks for all the supervisors who has helped us in achieving this project. And thanks for the Glenn for giving this wonderful project to work on this, which we have learned a lot of things and helped us a lot. Thank you all.